Oh, wow. I'm going in again. It's really good. We're making Peach Tart Tatin because I was working on a series on ITV called The Heat. I'm actually doing it like the chefs in the show. Let's hope I don't burn the caramel. I've got some new products that we're going to use today because I'm a little bit lactose intolerant. So feel free to use all the dairy that you like. This is risky. This is a plant butter. It's made from cashew nuts and coconut oil, but it's also got sunflower oil, which I don't like. And it's got fava bean, got oatly, creme fraiche, and a little bit of orange zest. And I'm going to put some port in it. I've got some cinnamon, and we're not making pastry today. It's been a week. This is an experimentation. It could all go wrong. These are the fresh peaches, and these are the tinned ones. I blanched the peaches, and I peeled the skins off. Pat them dry, because when they go into the mix, after the caramel's been made, the caramel could crystallize. Love this. You just roll it out. You can put this in the freezer, these little slices, to harden up a little bit, because apparently that's the best thing to do. Then we're going to move on to making the really important caramel. Another tip about the caramel: the pan needs to be really, 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 really clean. So 60 grams of water, that's going in. 130 grams of sugar. I always put less sugar in than you're supposed to, but we are making caramel. It's like made of sugar, right? It's hot. Do not burn yourself. That's got to dissolve. You cannot take your eyes off the caramel because you don't want it to burn. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Only swirl. Do not stir. 5 to 7 minutes. That is looking quite brown. Turn the heat off now because I'm going to put the butter in. Whisking that in. I'm going to put the port in now. Cinnamon. Who doesn't like salty caramel? Yum, yum, yum. Bit more. 2 sizes here. We're just having an experiment today. They put them in the tray like that so that you can just peel it out. Then we're going to put the caramel in. And then we're going to put the peaches in. Oh, I need to put the oven on. Caramel goes in first. We've got one pretty half. Put that in here. Press that down. And hopefully that will look nice. Don't touch the caramel, remember, it's hot. Right, pastry. Make sure when you cut the pastry, it's all the way through. It's going to go on top. I'm just trying to tuck these in so when you flip them over, it's like in the tart. In it goes. We're just going to get the oatly ready. Bowl, grating. That will be enough for my creme fraiche. Oh, look at those. What do we think? We're going to do this because it's hot. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh, there's a lot of caramel. We're going to do that. A little bit of orange zest on there. The big test is I've used plant-based butter. Okay, this is piping hot. So I don't want to burn my tongue with the caramel, but you can see how hot that is, right? Oh my God, that's hot. Oh, wow. I love the peach. I love the cinnamon and the port. It is so good. I'm going in again. It's really good.